Hey everybody. No, that's not where that goes. There, it goes like that.
Fresh off the printer.
What are we gonna do with these?
We'll clean one up. This one's already cleaned up. We're gonna show you how to clean up one thing, but let me clean these birds off real quick. I'll be right back.
Next
I
steps.
cleaned the birds off.
Okay.
Pro tip. Old soldering iron. This was an old one, and I got a new one. Super cheap. Got a new one for soldering. This is a fantastic way of finishing 3D prints. So you can see the rough edges there. Now you can sand it, but you know, that's gonna take time and it's gonna be hard. Or you can hit it with a soldering iron and almost kind of melt it, weld it. So like you can see how rough that is right there.
It smells bad.
It's stinky. I should probably have a mask on. I should have a mask on.
I'm pretty sure in the last talk shop we talked about that stuff.
I mean, I think the PLA is actually non-toxic, but
better to be safe than sorry.
Yeah.
I don't have.
But you know, this piece, I can't breathe in this thing, is going to be over, you know, layers of fabric that, you know, she wears a jumpsuit. So really, this is just to get rid of the sharp edges.
Sharp edges.
And technically, this piece of armor is supposed to be wrapped in leather, and it has this gridlet look for that, and we're actually gonna make this look like leather, even though it's 3D printed.
That's exciting. Making it look like leather.
Yeah. So there's one.
All right.
We're back filming.
Yeah.
Okay. We're cleaned up. All the burrs are gone. Probably hit it just with a quick little sanding just to kind of fix that up. And then we're going to start with some filler primer. You know what? We're going to do a little bit of red putty just because that's probably going to bug me if I don't fix it.
Agreed.
Yeah. So. You going to red putty this?
Sure. I better go change out of my white overalls then.
Or put a...
No, I have white. Let me show everybody.
Is it ready to go?
I have white overalls on. That's not going to do good with red putty, so I better change. Okay, so what parts of these, because this is already a great print, do we need to putty?
Where the big gaps are, so like this edge right here. It's probably not going to show up on camera. We had a layer shift here in the middle, or some kind of adhesion problem. It doesn't have it on that one. So on that one, I would just do the edge all the way around.
Just the front here, and then around
wouldn't
to
worry about the middle.
Okay.
This one I would do the edge, and then maybe just do a like
very lightly,
just over it. You're probably gonna have to sand in between, but I mean, we're gonna plasti dip these, but this is big, so
right here.
Yep.
No, can you guys see? Yeah, you can see. See how right here on the print, it got big difference. Fine. Brian said this was dry enough for me to start sanding it. It's been 15 or 20 minutes in the sun. So I'm gonna. Yay! said if you could go back, would you have not put the putty on?
Yep. Not on the middle.
Not in the middle.
Because we're losing all the details. So.
Scraping back out again.
Yeah, that's what happens. Make the wrong decision.
What are you using?
Just a pick.
Just a pick. Okay. Oh my gosh. Drama. The drama.
We're going to use Plasti Dip.
Oh, you're not priming it first.
Nah.
Don't need to.
No.
Okay. Any Plasti tips?
Nope.
None? Okay. What did you ask me?
We're using Plasti Dip. Why are we using Plasti Dip? These shoulder bells are supposed to be like quilted leather, which it's expensive and too much work. So I'm doing Plasti Dip because it gives it texture, a leathery texture, if you will. And then you can paint that Plasti Dip.
How many coats are you doing?
We'll do a couple and just tell all the underlayer is covered.
So it doesn't look so basket weavy.
Yeah. Here, we'll pull them out so you can see them.
Is there anything else you'd like to say? Because you have the floor.
I don't know. I don't.
You do have the floor.
I'm on the floor?
You have the microphone.
My mask.
All right, update. Our friend John just messaged me to remind me that when I'm using the putty, I need to be wearing gloves because your skin does absorb that and it does cause cancer. My husband said, I said that. What did you say, Brian?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Yeah.
But what did you say before?
Yeah.
Anyway, bottom line is wear your gloves, right, Brian?
Yes.
Wear your gloves.
Wear gloves. Yes.
Wear your gloves. No joke.